How to remove your Twitter on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Twitter on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click this 3 points here in the bottom corner and then click settings and now click account info and then just click on your Twitter here and delete it and then click save. And now Twitter has been deleted on your Roblox account, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.